Hi, the first thing I want to do is to create a new Canvas app. I will name this as upload file 1. I need to wait until it's done. Once it's ready, I need to add a new connection with a SharePoint list. For that, I will search a SharePoint, and I will search for a site, any site. The important thing is that have a list. Now I will add a new form edit view, and I will connect this with the SharePoint list. Okay, I will add a new screen, and I will copy from the form this attachment object and paste in the new screen and delete the screen 1. Fine. I will fix these errors. For that, I will select this in the formula bar and delete all of errors, every one of these. Okay, I will resize this and add an image object. Okay, now I need to rename this attachment object. For that, I will rename it as ATT for simplicity. Okay, and now I will add this code in image. You can see in the description of this video. I will left there, sorry. And now I will search in this attachment object the add file function, and I will add again this code. I will leave in the description. I will paste here, and you see I have an error, and it is because it's called a function from Power Automate that I need to create. So I go to the Power Automate, I create a new function, instant cloud, type Power Apps, or from Power Apps as Striker, and now I will create a new step. I will search for a create file, and I will select the SharePoint icon, and I will specify the site that I will store my file and the library that I will store my file again. And now first click in file content and select as in Power Apps, and next in file name, and again as in Power Apps. The order is important because if you go to the Power Apps and you see the function that I paste in here, you see the order of argument is first content, next name. So the order of clicks is important. Now in file content I need to convert this. For that I will use expression. The expression will be base 64 to binary. Fine, and the argument is the file content. Fine, okay, and I will delete the last option. Now I will add a new step, and this is for make a response on Power Apps with the file URL. For that I will select this text, and I will name this as SharePoint file link that is in the function in Power Apps, and here I will copy the file the URL of the site. Fine, and I will add the path, but at the end of the URL. Fine. I will give a name to this function, something like, I don't know, blood file 1, for example. It's not necessarily called as the same as the app. it's only a name. Save it. Okay, now go to the Power Apps, and I will add a label for view the URL of this file. For that, I need to understand that this URL is on bar file that is called from the SharePoint file link. So I will add here the bar file, and now give me error because it's empty. Okay, and I will add a button. This is for add the Power Automate function. I will click here in Power Automate, and I will select the function that I create. You wait a minute for that, and once it's done, you go to the attachment object and rename the function, because here is upload, and the function that we made is upload file 1. And advice, please take care of the uppercase and lowercase characters. And delete the button is not necessary, and also delete the SharePoint connection is not necessary. Fine, test it. I will add a PDF, for example. Wait for it. And as you see, I have the URL. But if you see in the SharePoint, in the Power Automate, I'll add this symbol at the final, so you need to delete, and the URL will be fine, and you see it here, the PDF. So thank you for watching, and subscribe for more short videos.